Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make biscuit dough. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Next, you'll need 1/2 cup of very cold, unsalted butter, cut into small cubes. Finally, have 3/4 cup of cold buttermilk ready. The key to flaky biscuits is keeping everything cold, especially the butter, so it creates steam pockets when baking. Now, let's combine our ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt until well mixed. Next, add your cold butter cubes to the dry mixture. Use a pastry blender or your fingertips to cut the butter into the flour until it resembles coarse crumbs with some pea-sized pieces. Finally, pour in the cold buttermilk, mixing gently with a spoon until the dough just comes together. Avoid overmixing. Once your dough is just combined, turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. Gently fold the dough over itself about 4 to 6 times. This layering creates those wonderful flaky textures. Then, lightly pat or roll the dough to about 1/2 inch thickness. Using a 2-inch round cutter, press straight down without twisting to cut out your biscuits. This ensures they rise evenly and beautifully. Finally, it's time to bake your perfect biscuits. Arrange the cut biscuits on a baking sheet, placing them nearly touching. This helps them rise taller and stay moist. Bake them in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes, or until they are golden brown on top. They'll be wonderfully flaky and tender. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.